Hello everybody, welcome to this video. We haven't been on Towers in a while now, but we are back with a Project Ocean construction update, so let's go have a look at the site. Look at that. That's absolutely huge. So before we were watching this concrete footer going in the last construction update over this side, you can just see up there. And now they've got this one that's being built up this side. Very cool. Obviously it's still covered up with board, but you can see all that over there. Very cool. Can we just have a nosy through the crack? Nah, not really. But yeah, that's this side. Let's go around the other side. Yeah, so just the area. Massive construction happening. Obviously we think this is going to be a ripsaw too, and quite far in construction. It's very cool to see. Very nice. Well, yeah, that's all we can see really. It's still doing the concrete foundations for it. So that's all we can see here from Project Ocean. So yeah, very short Project Ocean construction update today. We've got Harry and Lucy behind the camera doing stupid stuff as per usual. But yeah, that's all we can see right now. Very cool. I cannot wait to see like big construction happen with this, maybe the actual ride coming up and stuff like that. But yeah, that is it for us here at Alton Towers and Project Ocean.